My name is Shubham and today we will discuss one of the important topic of Java, which is main method in Java. And today's date is 26 September 2024. So let's discuss today's topic is what is main method in Java. Main method is a entry point of program execution. When we run our code, then JVM first look toward the main method because it is a entry point of our program. JVM, we must write the main method in specific way or in proper signature because it is an entry point. The signature of main method is public, static, void, main, string array and object name. That is, we generally write the ARGS. This is the proper signature of main method. So let's discuss each of word one by one. First one is public. When we declare main method as a public, then we can access the main method globally. If we try to declare the other than public access modifier, then it restricts the accessibility of main method. In this case, we will get compile time error such as main method not found. Next one is static. Static is a keyword which make main method object independent, or we don't need to create the instance of main method. While execute the program, JVM can easily understand the main method when we declare as a static, because static method can declare by using its name. Next one is void. Void is a keyword that indicate nothing to return. It means from main method we doesn't return any value, because as it is a starting point of any program, and when main method execute, program will stop to run. So there is nothing logic to return any value from main method, or we try the return value from main method. There is no procedure after the execution of main method, because after the execution of main method, program get terminated. So this is the void. Next one is main. Main method is identifier which specifically indicate and JVM can understand this is the main method, but main is not keyword. Next one is string array. String array is used to read the command line arguments, and it is an array of strings type. While generally we write the object name as ARGS, but we can write anything instance of ARGS, because this is the object of string type. So this is the signature of main method. So let's discuss another point, which is we can overload the main method in Java. The answer is yes, we can't overload the main method in Java, but we have to give the different argument. Instead of string array, we have to give the different argument for the main method. When we overload the main method in Java, but JVM always look toward the string array as an argument for the main method. So it is easily JVM easily identify the main method from its arguments. So this is the about main